Hello everyone, my name is HAIYANG. We are group 9. Okay, next page. In this era of the high-speed development of the internet, if the company cannot keep up with the development of the times, it will be eliminated immediately. Nowadays, the development of the internet is rapid. It controls everything we touch in our life. Whether it's the smartphone or a smart car, it's everywhere in our lives. Therefore, as one of the world's top 500 companies, Volvo company's operation for most of it is innovation. At the present, the operation stage of the Volvo company mainly has two directions. One is the development of the automobile, automation, and the internet, and the other is the goal of the sustainable development. Okay, next page. With the rapid expansion of the population and the urbanization, its a disadvantage gradually appear. The Volvo company is new operating in hope that the automation will redefine commercial transport, which is the daily part of the most people's lives. They will think the idea automation level and the social bring more value for customers. It's also to promote the future of the automobile market. So the Volvo company will gradually introduce the appreciation of all kinds of the automotive and equipped with it their own product in order to meet the needs of automation and the interconnect of the car. Okay, next page. The Volvo company philosophy is that the choice we make today will have an important impact on the future. Climate change, population growth, and increasing urbanization are changing expectation about transport. Any company action need to consider how to reduce the impact on the climate, use the global resource more efficiently, and conduct business more responsibly. The Volvo company believes it must change other aspects, including the pace at which is the responding to climate change, and the ways the working with the customers, supporting partners, and the governments to achieve the company's sustainable development goals. That's my part. Okay, finish.
Thank you. This part is the company's quality management. And the Volvo has launched advanced product quality planning in quality management. Staying competitive in the markets where Volvo Group operates requires regular improvement to existing product and the continuous development of new product. Supporting the introduction of new production requires a well-defined and organized process for project planning and launch. Volvo's group organizes all new product introduction as projects. Suppliers are required to have an effective project planning process that is capable of supporting the Volvo Group process and timing of project management. And in 2006, And in 26, Volvo's group adopted the Automotive Industry Action Group guideline for advanced product quality planning as the standard planning method of the suppliers bringing products to production. And suppliers are expected to develop a detailed advanced product quality plan for the development of process used to produce Volvo's group products. It is always the customers who determines if Volvo are best in class, but before Volvo's product reach customers, the ultimate quality of developed parts is determined already during the design and development phase of the production process. And this part is the company's product and service. We have a range of products for road, cities, and all options. Such as trucks in the city, the group has 6 truck brands: Volvo, UD, Remitted Trucks, Mark Etcher, and Dongfeng Trucks. In terms of Volvo's life, in addition to the technical maintenance lives, Volvo often over customers several additional benefits that are always included when customers bring their car for servicing at a Volvo workshop. For instance, personal service contract, free software updates, health check, car wash, and automotive transportation. Volvo obtains the maximum benefits of owning Volvo mentioned by offering a comprehensive portfolio of products and types through types. Thank you. This is my part.
Okay, I will introduce the technology. Volvo Group has many exciting achievements in electrification and autonomous driving. In the future, Volvo Group will deepen its technology, explore more application scenarios, and finally realize true unmanned driving. Electrification and autonomous driving have become the general trend of the automotive industry, and many car manufacturers are involved in it, striving to provide the society with future transportation solutions. And the Volvo Group is no exception. Compared with passenger cars, commercial vehicles have development faster in autonomous driving due to their longer driving distance and relative close the road driving environment. Okay, next part. Next part is capacity. It has 6 production based around the world, covering all Volvo vehicle and parts production. Volvo cars production capacity is mainly distributed in China, Sweden, the US, and Belgium. Next, Volvo company facilities. Volvo Group industrial and agility system is well invested with modern production equipment and adequate technical capacity. To meet customer expectations, the Volvo Group focuses on quickly lead times and delivery precision, while working to ensure health, safety, and well-being for our employers. Okay, that's our next person.
Okay, this page is about the Volvo's project management. Volvo wants to create a structure to help improve consistency in the company's overall planning approach, from top management to individual team members. Volvo's project management has 3 parts. Firstly, Volvo start a concept study where Volvo need to determine how to improve the use of tools such as project timing, how to reporting and scorecards in the vehicle development project. Secondly, Volvo collects information from the work environment. Each operating environment has a different topic and covering everything from planning and cooperation to risk management and reporting. The lastly is present adjustment. After each operating environment, Volvo project leaders listen to and evaluate participant feedback and refine the approach for the next operating environment. Okay, this page is about the company's inventory management. Volvo Cars is working with fleet service provider MGM to manage the inventory and wholesale of used cars at its French dealers on a common international platform. Volvo Cars has set a real precedent in this regard, and managing its entire used car inventory globally in an innovative way and spanning the entire value chain. The MGM RMS platform where allow every country where Volvo cars are sold in a single integrated system, contract and sell its wholesale inventory. Okay, this page is about the lead production, how to the Volvo put into operation. And Volvo's localization strategy opens a new chapter in globalization. Regarding Volvo's car factories in 2014, three Volvo car factories were built and put into production in China. In 2018, Volvo Cars opened its first car factory and start production in the second largest U.S. auto market. This also marks Volvo Cars as a truly global company. The status quo of Volvo Cars globalization process originating in Europe, stabilizing the United States, and taking root in China, and going global regarding Volvo's localization development in August 2013, and Volvo Cars domestic chemical industry ban in China was approved by the government. And in 2016, Volvo Cars Group released a new global production strategy in Shanghai, and announcing the division of Volvo's production base in China and China's important positioning as one of the global export centers. Regarding the globalization strategy in Volvo's global layout, and China is one of the cores of vehicle manufacturing. Its technical specification and fully meet the requirements of European and American automotive industry, not only representing the high level of the international automotive quality management system at that time, but also the passport for current automakers and parts suppliers to enter the international market, as well as the entry of automotive electronic products. Okay, that's all of our first views. Thank you, teacher, and thank you for listening.